Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem which is square root of 1 plus 20 over x is equal to square root of 1 plus 24 times x plus 2. So guys, today I am telling you how to solve this algebraic expression. So guys, to find the value of x from this algebraic expression, first of all we have to take square on both sides of this equation. So after taking square on both sides of this equation, we can write on the left hand side square root of 1 plus 20 over x whole to the power 2 is equal to, on the right hand side similarly we can write in here square root of 1 plus 24 times x plus 2 whole to the power 2. Guys, from the left hand side we get 1 plus 20 over x is equal to, guys, to simplify this algebraic expression we have to apply the formula a plus b whole to the power 2 is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So according to this formula we can write in here 1 plus 24 times x plus 2 times square root of 1 plus 24 times x times 2 plus 2 square. After that it will be 1 plus 20 over x is equal to 1 plus 24 times x plus 4 times square root of 1 plus 24 times x plus 4. So guys, we have to transpose 24 times x and 4 from right hand side to left hand side. Then the left hand side will becomes 1 plus 20 over x minus 1 minus 24 times x minus 4 is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write 4 times square root of 1 plus 24 times x. After that on the left hand side we can cancel minus 1 and plus 1. Then on the left hand side we get 20 over x minus 24 times x minus 4 is equal to 4 times square root of 1 plus 24 times x. So guys, on the left hand side there are 3 terms and the common factor of 3 terms is 4. So now we can write from the left hand side 4 times 5 over x minus 6 times x minus 1 is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 4 times square root of 1 plus 24 times x. So guys, we can cancel 4 from both sides of this equation. So after that, to find the value of x from this equation, again you have to take square on both sides of this equation. So on the left hand side we have to write 5 over x minus 6 times x minus 1 whole to the power 2 is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write square root of 1 plus 24 times x whole to the power 2. To simplify the left hand side of this equation we have to apply the formula a plus b plus c whole to the power 2 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So according to this formula, we can write on the left hand side 25 over x square plus 36 x square plus 1 minus 60 plus 12 times x minus 10 over x is equal to, we get from the right hand side 1 plus 24 times x. So guys, now we have to transpose 1 and 24 times x from right hand side to left hand side. Then the left hand side will becomes 25 over x square plus 36 x square plus 1 minus 60 plus 12 times x minus 10 over x minus 1 minus 24 times x is equal to 0. So guys, on the left hand side we can cancel plus 1 and minus 1. So it will be 25 over x square plus 36 times x square minus 12 times x minus 10 over x minus 60 is equal to 0. So guys, now we can write from the left side of this equation 5 over x whole to the power 2 plus 2 times 5 over x times 6x plus 6 times x whole to the power 2 minus 10 over x minus 12 times x minus 120 is equal to 0. So guys, according to this formula we can write from this 3 term 5 over x plus 6 times x whole to the power 2 minus, so guys, the common factor of in these two terms is 2. So now we can write in here 2 times 5 over x plus 6x minus, again have to write 120 is equal to 0. Let 5 over x plus 6 times x is equal to a. Then this equation will becomes a square minus 2a minus 120 is equal to 0. So guys, according to factor theorem we can write from this equation a square minus 12a plus 10a minus 120 is equal to 0. So guys, according to factor theorem we can write from the left hand side a times a minus 12 plus 10 times a minus 12 is equal to 0. So guys, on the left hand side of this equation the common factor is a minus 12. So we can write in here a minus 12 times a plus 10 is equal to 0. According to zero product rule we can write in here a minus 12 is equal to 0 and a plus 10 is equal to 0. So guys, again have to put the value of a on the left hand side of this equation. So it will be 5 over x plus 6 times x minus 12 is equal to 0. So after calculation, we can write from the left hand side of this equation 6x square minus 12 times x plus 5 is equal to 0. So guys, we have to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c. So we can write in here a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 12 and c is equal to 5. So guys, according to Siddhacharya formula, we can write from this equation x is equal to 12 plus minus square root of minus 12 whole to the power 2 minus 4 times 6 times 5 over 2 times 6. So guys, after calculation, we can write in here 6 plus minus square root of 6 over 6. This is the value of x. So guys, similarly, we can write from this equation 5 over x plus 6 times x plus 10 is equal to 0. So after calculation, we can write it here 6x square plus 10x plus 5 is equal to 0. So guys, again we have to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c. So we can write in here a is equal to 6, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 5. According to Siddhacharya formula, we can write in here d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So if you put the value of a, b and c on the right hand side of this equation, then you get 10 square minus 4 times 6 times 5. So it will be 100 minus 120, that is minus 20, which is the less than 0. So guys, the discriminant is less than 0. So this equation has no real solution. The real solution of the given equation is 6 plus minus square root of 6 over 6. So this is our real solution. So guys, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.